Hello, welcome back to Jestina's kitchen. I hope you're all doing great and having an amazing day. Today guys, I'm going to bring you shredded prime rib with basmati rice. So stay tuned, sit in your sofa and watch the video up to the end. Wow guys, look how beautiful and attractive it looks. Just relax and watch step by step. New recipes every week, new ingredients, new flavor on Saturdays at Justina's Kitchen. Yummy and healthy recipes. Here is the list of the ingredients of all what we need for the sauce. Prepare the onions by peeling and chopping them into wedges. Similarly, prepare the mushrooms too. I'm now going to heat the pan with 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And now we saute the mushrooms until golden brown. I'm going to add in a pinch of salt into the mushrooms. Remove them when they look like this, beautifully golden brown color. Guys, don't forget to comment and tell me what you think or feel about my cooking. In the remaining oil, saute the beef for 6 to 8 minutes until all moisture has evaporated. Guys, don't forget to tap the hearts. After 8 minutes, I'm going to incorporate a portion of the prepared garlic and the ginger mixture. And then stir for 2 minutes. Please guys, don't forget to share with friends and families to help this little channel grow. After 2 minutes, I'm going to incorporate the remaining garlic and ginger. Stir for another 1 minute. If you're new into Justina's Kitchen, please don't forget to subscribe to see all the delicious and yummy meals that I normally do once a week on Saturdays. Add in the fennel and stir for about 1 minute. On social media, you can follow me at Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, and Instagram at Justina's Kitchen. After sautéing the beef and the fennel together for around 1 minute, I'm now going to transfer it in a deeper pot, as I am doing right now. Incorporate a pinch of black pepper with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then stir it again. I'm now going to dissolve 1 beef bouillon cube in hot water with just about 2 tablespoons of hot water will do. After the bouillon has dissolved, add in 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. And we're going to use some oyster sauce. We need 2 tablespoons also of oyster sauce into the mixture. And then we're going to incorporate 3 tablespoons of water into the mixture and then stir. Incorporate the red and yellow onions together with the beef. Continue stirring for about 2 minutes. Guys, season with some salt to taste if required. Add in the mixture of water, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and bouillon. An additional 100 milliliters of water has been added. And why not throw in some chili flakes if you want it spicy? I am now going to incorporate the mixed bell peppers. Add in the fried mushrooms. Allow the sauce to simmer gently on a low temperature for 2 minutes. In a bowl, thoroughly combine 2 tablespoons of water with 1½ tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it well. And to achieve a desired sauce consistency, incorporate the cornstarch mixture. Stir gently, gently until everything is incorporated. The desired consistency has been achieved. Wow guys, we almost at the end. I'm going to now incorporate 1 tablespoon of sesame oil prior to serving. To adjust consistency, incorporate small amounts of hot water into the sauce if it's too thick. Fill any container with cooked rice. Jasmine rice is preferred. For it to look pleasing and professionally presented, turn it upside down in a flat plate. Wow, it looks good and yummy. And let's have the food, guys. I now incorporate the sauce into the rice. It smells so good, guys. Mouth watering. If you taste this, guys, you will bite your fingers. So guys, this is all what I have for you today from Jestina's kitchen, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what I'm doing, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, like, and share. And if you're new into this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So take care of yourselves. Bye. I love you all and stay blessed. Bye. See you next week in another edition.